listen, this problem is from trigonometry topic only, but properties of triangles you got. See, given the angles capital A comma capital B comma C as a triangle are in arithmetic progressions, and if A, B, C are the denote the length of the sides opposite to A, B, C, the respectively, then the value of this expression. Actually, in a trigonometry, triangle properties means actually the triangle is going to be have the values. Here see, each and every triangle is going to have 3 angles and 3 sides. This is one side, this is one side, this is one side, and 3 angles. If I am taking a capital A here, capital B here, capital C here, always the capital letters are denoted with angle. Capital A is angle, capital B is angle, capital C is angle. And in each and every triangle, the angle opposite to the angle, whatever the side is there, that side is going to be same value. That is, this is A, opposite side is going to be small a. Always the sides are going to be denoted with small letters. Here B is there, you will get this side is going to be B. It is C, that's why it is going to be C, small c. Small a, small b, small c is nothing but sides. Capital A, capital B, capital C is going to be angles. That only given the angle ABC. Angles are ABC, and ABC are denotes length of sides, side length. That too opposite to the angles respectively. Capital A opposite side A, capital B opposite side small b, capital C. Without if he didn't say also, it is going to be like that only in triangle. Right, he given one more condition, that is angles are going to be arithmetic progression. That is a condition, that is A comma B comma C are in AP. He given arithmetic progression. We will discuss this arithmetic progression. Right, and is giving the expression of this value. We will simplify that based whatever the values we are getting based upon this condition will get. Always some values తీసుకుందామా లేకపోతే representing in angles only I will discuss, right? You see, he given what condition, that is A by C sin 2C plus C by A sin 2A. I am simplifying this. In trigonometry, that is multiple submultiple angle formula, sin 2 theta equal to, we can write 2 sin theta cos theta. This is the formula of sin 2 theta. From here 2 sines is there, that's why I am writing. One more formula I am using here, sine rule. That is, sine rule is nothing but A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C, always is going to be 2R. From here A by sin A equal to 2R తీసుకుంటే A equal to 2R sin A we can write, and also B equal to, we can write 2R sin B, and we can write C equal to 2R sin C. This is sine rule. Right here, from there I am substituting here, just I am taking A only here. By C is nothing but I am writing by using sine rule 2R sin C into sin 2A is nothing but, okay, you will get disturbance. I will write here, it is this value here, okay. I am writing here, just I am writing here, that is A by 2R sin C, capital C, angle always, into sin 2A is nothing but 2 sin C cos C from the formula. In place of theta we having a C, plus C by 2R sin A into, why? Because A value is going to be from sin rule 2R sin A into 2 sin A cos A from sin 2 theta formula. Here see, sin C get cancelled, and 2 also get cancelled. Here also 2 get cancelled, sin A is going to be cancelled. What is going to be? 1 by r into, if I take a common, that is a cos c plus c cos a. See, in properties of triangle, here a cos c plus c cos a by using projection rule. Projection rule. That is, this is a side is a, angle is c. Here also side is c, angle is a. Other than these two values, that is going to be b. You will get from projection rule that you will get side b, that is a cos c plus c cos a. If you want to write a means remaining two values, that is b cos c plus c cos b. You can write c side c also, that is side c is nothing but based upon a and b, that is a cos b plus b cos a. From here indirectly from this one, that is it is going to be b, answer is going to be b by r. B by r. Here given a, b, c are in arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means each and every value is going to have same difference. If I am taking a equal to 30 degrees, if you add b same value, that is b equal to, you are going to get 60 degrees. And here I am checking c value is going to be 90. If you add, the difference between these two is 30. If you add this 30 to 60, you are going to get 90. Now this a, b, c are going to be an arithmetic progression. And also properties in a triangle, always a plus b plus c equal to 180. To satisfy this condition, just I taken these values. A equal to 30, b equal to 60 and c equal to 90. From here, from sine rule, I am checking this is going to be 2r sine b divided by r get cancelled, 2 into sine what b value is going to be what, 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees always is going to be what, this is going to be 2 into root 3 by 2. Sine 60 equal to root 3 by 2, 2 to get cancelled. The answer is going to be what, root 3. Here the answer is root 3. Understanding? Okay, let's see other problem. Let's see this problem. He given one problem. This is also belongs to trigonometry topic only. Same like previously, what were just we multiplied terms into summation terms we converted. Here summation terms you have to convert into multiply terms to get this value. Just I am doing here, see, just I am taking this one as equation number 1. For suppose here we having sine x plus sine y equal to 1 by 4. Here I am using one formula, that is a sin c plus sin d formula, that is going to be sin c plus sin d equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. From using this formula, I am modifying this, that is going to be, here in place of c we having x, in place of d we having y. Based upon that, this is going to be 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Now I am checking this as equals to 1 by 4. This is as equation number 1 I am checking. One more is there, that is cos x plus cos y equals to 1 by 3. This is one equation, this is two other one is given. Here I am using a cos c plus cos d formula. Here I used sin c plus sin d formula. Here I am using a, that is cos c plus cos d formula. Once again summation terms into multiplication term, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. The formula is going to be 2 cos c plus cos d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Here in place of c we having x, in place of d we having y, that is going to be 2 cos of x plus y by 2 cos of x minus y by 2 equal to 1 by 3. I am taking this as equation number 2. Here what I am doing means I am doing equation number 1 divided by equation number 2. That is going to be from here. That is going to be this one. That is 2 sin of x plus y by 2 cos of x minus y by 2 divided by equation number 2 at left side. It's going to be 2 cos of x plus y by 2 cos of x minus y by 2 equal to, this one value is at right side 1 by 4, this is going to be 1 by 3. Now 2 get cancelled, and also cos x minus y by 2, cos x minus by 2 get cancelled. Sin theta divided by cos theta always is going to be tan theta, that is tan of x plus y by 2 equal to, it's going to be reverse, that is 3 by 4. In denominator is going to be reverse, that is 3 by 1 is nothing but 3 by 1 into 1 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 4. This is tan of x plus y by 2. But what he asked, cot of x plus y by 2. See here I am finding here having in multiple and submultiple we having one formula, that is tan 2a equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. For suppose if I am writing this one as in half angles, it is going to be tan a equals to 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. It is also from tan a plus b formula only. Here in place of a I am writing, that is going to be tan of x plus y I am writing. 2 tan x plus y by 2. In place of a I am writing x plus y. In place of a you have to replace x plus y divided by 1 minus tan square x plus y by 2. That is going to be, if you replace tan x plus y by 2 equal to 3 by 4, that is 2 into 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus 9 by 16. If you simplify, this is 2 2s are, that is 3 by 2 into, if you take LCM, 16 minus 9 is nothing but 7. 7 divided by 16, that is 16 divided by 7, 2 8s are, 8 3s are, that is nothing but 24 divided by 7. But it is what? Tan of x plus y. Here this is going to be in option, but what he asked cot of x plus y, that is tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, or cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta is nothing but 7 by 24. The answer is going to be 7 by 24, but you are going to have 24 by 7 also answer, but we want what? 7 by 4. Why? Because he asked what? Cot x plus y. Just I written the formula for tan, based upon that you got tan, from the tan I got cot. Always cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. Reciprocal of tan is going to be cot, reciprocal of cot is going to be tan. Based upon that, just simple thing, just I find it based upon tan value, based upon that I got here cot value. We asked cot, that's why we written in terms of cot. For suppose if you are asking tan, you will get any tan. Okay, now let's see other problem. Let's see these problems. In these problems also, it is also from trigonometry topics only, but very easy. But you see, given one equation, that is sin of x degrees plus 28 degrees equal to cos of 3x degrees equal to 78. To satisfy this equation, that should be x degree should be in between from 0 to 90 degrees only. You have to see the value of x. Actually, you have to simplify this equation to get a value of x, but in the options we are going to have values. I am cross checking the options. If the values are equal or not, we will check. By substituting these values, you are getting or not, we will check. Based upon that, you are going to get. Here see, x degree always is going to be from 0 to 90, options also from 0 to 90. First I am checking first option, that is going to be x equal to 50 degrees. If you substitute in the equation, given equation, sin of 50 degrees plus 28 degrees is nothing but 78 degrees equal to cos of 3 into 50, that is 150 degrees minus 78. 150 is nothing but indirectly 78 means 28, that is going to be cos of what? 72 degrees. 72 plus 78 is nothing but 150 degrees. And indirectly you got your sine of 78 degrees equal to cos of 72 degrees. See, we have in one form sine theta we can write in terms of cos, that is cos of 90 minus theta. If sine 78 is there, it is going to be equal to cos of 90 minus 78. That is going to be cos 12 degrees. Is it 12? It is 72. That's why it is not satisfying the equation. That is not, first option is not right. I am checking for second. That is going to be 30 degrees. X degrees equal to 30 degrees. Now substitute x equal to 30 degrees. If you substitute sine of 30 degrees plus 28 degrees, that is going to be 58 degrees equals to, that is going to be cos of 30 is nothing but 90 degrees minus 78 degrees, that is nothing but 12 degrees. Just now we said cos 12 equals to sin 78, but it is 58. It is also not equal to, that is second option is not going to be right. And third option I am checking, that is going to be x degrees equal to 16 degrees. Now substitute here x equal to 16 degrees. 16 plus 28 is nothing but what? Sine of 16 plus 28. 38 plus 6 is nothing but 44 equals to cos of, it is going to be 3 into 60 degrees. What? 3 into 60 degrees, 16, 32, 32 plus 16 is nothing but 48. 48 minus 78. 48 minus 78 is nothing but 30 minus 30 degrees. Is it 30? Always is not. Cos of minus theta always is going to be cos theta only. Cos 30 degrees. But it not equals to, cos 30 equals to what? Root 3 by 2, but sin 44 it's going to be other value. 45, sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2, less than 1 by root 2, and root 3 by 2 is not going to be equal. That's why it is not also satisfied. Next, x degrees equals to, just I am taking 8 degrees. If you substitute this 8, always 3 options are wrong means fourth is going to be right. Or once again I am checking here, that is 28 plus 8 is nothing but 36 degrees equals to, and cos of sin 36 degrees equal to cos of 3 into 8 degrees. 3 into 8 is nothing but what? 24 degrees minus 78. 24 minus 78 is nothing but minus 54 degrees. Always cos of minus theta is going to be plus cos theta. If you check this condition, theta equal to 30, 90 minus 36, 90 minus 36 always is going to be 54 degrees. This condition is satisfied. That's why the answer is going to be 8 degrees. By cross checking you are going to get. Yes, same thing here. He given one equation once again, and it's having unique solution and 2 solutions and no solution infinity. First we will check whatever the given value. That is, unique solution is saying x equal to 2 if you substitute. That is, I am taking here, I am substituting, I am cross checking first statement, that is tan inverse of x equal to 2 if you substitute. That is 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3 divided by 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1 plus tan inverse of here 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1 divided by 2 equal to, is we are getting tan inverse of minus 7. Do we get or not? We will check. Actually the formula is here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Formula is tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Based upon that I am writing here tan inverse of x equal to 3 plus 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 3 into 1 by 2. If you simplify this, 2 plus 3, 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7, tan inverse of 7 by 2 divided by here 3 by 2. 1 minus 3 by 2 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Here 2 to get cancelled. That's why you got tan inverse of minus 7. Now you got tan inverse of minus 7. That's why each is going to be right one. If you check already x equal to 1, if you check for x equal to 1, if it is not satisfied means 1 plus 1, that is 2 divided by 1 minus 1, 0. Something by 0 is nothing but infinity. That is tan inverse of 2 by 0, infinity. Tan inverse infinity, when you will get pi by 2. Pi plus, it's not going to be minus 7. We can't get that value. That's why it is not going to be, second option is not going to be satisfied. Already it's having unique solution x equal to 2. No solution అనడానికి లేదు, solution ఉంది. Infinity number ఏం లేదు, ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ నెంబర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయింది. But the answer is going to be first one, that is unique solution. Simply sometimes by the question only you are going to get question answers. By seeing the question here, given the equation, if you want to take like this, if you take here this is theta, if you substitute here 90 minus theta means indirectly if you take 90 minus theta, 90 minus x degrees minus 28 degree, you won't get this one. Or if you equate to that by using that, you can't get x value. But by cross checking you are getting answers. Sometimes without procedure also you are going to get an answers, right? Like that you are going to simply by cross checking also you are going to get by the options I said these problems, right? Okay, let's see other problems. Let's see this problem. Given x and y is asking the values of x and y. Always tan of cosecant, always for suppose we have a formulas in inverse trigonometry, that is going to be, for suppose x is there, we will write sin of sin inverse x is going to be, sin inverse x is going to be x. Here the value of x is going to be different, the domain of the function is going to be different. Sin of this is theta, indirectly angle is nothing but value, this x is going to be value. Sin of sin inverse x, sin inverse of sin x is going to be different. The sin inverse x is going to be value, that is indirectly x is going to be an angle, but here x is going to be value, but based upon the function is going to have the domain. Here given tan of cosecant inverse and y equal to secant square of cot inverse cosecant square of tan inverse. First I will write y, then after I will find x. See, I am writing y here. What is there? That is secant square of cot inverse of 1 by 2 plus cosecant square of tan inverse of 1 by 3 is that. I am writing to understand you people. Or here secant square is there, it is cot inverse. Sin of sin inverse unnate cos of cos inverse undala, secant of secant inverse exist, secant of secant inverse unte simplify అయిపోతుంది డైరెక్ట్ గా. Secant of secant inverse, that is going to be secant of secant inverse x is going to be x. Cosecant of cosecant inverse x is going to be x. Like that I have to convert this cot inverse into secant inverse. Just I am drawing triangle here for this one, first one, that is cot is nothing but what, sin theta is nothing but what in triangle, if it is theta here, sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse, cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse, tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent, cot is nothing but adjacent by opposite. Here to write cosecant indirectly, cosecant is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. We required hypotenuse, hypotenuse is nothing but 2 square 4 plus 1, that is nothing but 5. Here I am writing, that is from here the cosecant inverse of you will get hypotenuse by adjacent, adjacent is going to be 1. Here this is 2. I am drawing here once again one triangle for corresponding to tan is nothing but opposite, if it is angle here, opposite by adjacent, that is going to be 1 square plus 3 square is nothing but 9, that is root 10. It is tan inverse, but you required cosecant inverse. If you write cosecant from here, cosecant inverse of cosecant is nothing but what, hypotenuse by opposite, that is root 10 by 1. If you substitute here y equals to secant square, it is not inverse, secant square of, here secant inverse of root 5 by 1. cot inverse converted into secant inverse. Here plus cosecant square of cosecant inverse of root 10 by 1. ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ యూ విల్ గెట్ రూట్ 5 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఇయర్ రూట్ 10 హోల్ స్క్వేర్, దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 5 plus 10 ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 15. దిస్ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి y. y 15 ఎక్కడ ఉంది? here we having 15, here we having 15, here 5, here 5, that is nothing but 1 and 2. In these two it going to be a correct answer. Same thing, it means here maybe 1 and 2 are going to be correct based upon in this by using finding x value you will find. Here what is x? X equal to tan of cosecant inverse of 65 by 63. If you draw a triangle for this, here cosecant inverse means hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse is 65, opposite is going to be 63. 63. If the angle is here, you want what from here? Tan inverse of you want, means tan inverse means opposite by adjacent. Adjacent means you have to write like this, root over 65 whole square minus 63 whole square. To find it will take more time, that's why simply I am writing 63 divided by you are going to get anything value, that is indirectly x equal to tan inverse of this 63 by something value you will get. Here that is nothing but 63 by something. Numeratorly, in numerator you are going to have 63. Here in numerator in 1 and 2, 1 2 la numerator la 63 ఒకటే ఆప్షన్ ఉంది, రెండోది 63 numerator లో ఉంది. కంపల్సరీ ఇది గానే కాదు, ఎందుకంటే 5 కాదు 15 మన ఆన్సర్. సింప్లీ ద ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి 1. Or either you can convert this cosecant inverse into tan by using formulas also you can get. Or here y equal to secant square is there, cot inverse is there, we can write this as a, for suppose I am giving a simplification to this one, you will get this one. Just to see, that is I am writing for secant square of cot inverse of 1 by 2. We have in a formula, that is a secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. If we write, that is going to be here 1 plus tan square of cot inverse into tan is nothing but tan inverse of 2, that is reciprocal value, is nothing but tan of tan inverse is going to be same value, that 2 square, that is 1 plus 2, that is nothing but 4. You got 5 only, na? We can write cosecant also in terms of cot. Cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, but it is in tan. Converting into it is 3. 1 plus 3 square is nothing but 9. 1 plus 9 is nothing but 10. If you do in any manner, you are going to get. If you use the formulas also, you are going to get. These are the formulas, one function in terms of other functions. By using the odd also you can get the values. Simply by checking the values indirectly, by cross checking we are getting the answers. Okay, let's see other problem.